process begins with precision. Only fine, uniform grade raw materials are chosen, ensuring consistent strength and uncompromised quality in every bar. Premium input for premium output. Inside the furnace, raw strength is forged, heated to precise temperatures, allowing only the perfect core to advance to the next stage. Molten metal flows from the furnace into high-pressure presses, transformed into massive steel sections engineered for uncompromised strength and durability. Gigantic steel sections are precision cut to exact lengths, ensuring uniformity, accuracy, and superior output in every bar. From the core plant to the compression line, gigantic steel sections pass through multiple precision rollers, reduced in thickness, refined in form, and transformed into bars of required dimensions. In the CNC room, precision meets identity. Advanced machinery forms ribs with accuracy and imprints are named with perfection, while controlled lubrication ensures seamless operation and reduced friction. With advanced German Thermax cooling technology, every bar is uniformly quenched, achieving superior strength, perfect balance, and consistent quality throughout. After Thermax treatment, the bars undergo natural cooling, stabilizing to ambient temperature for balanced toughness, durability, and long-term performance. Every bar is cut to precise, uniform lengths, bundled into batches that carry consistency, strength, and the PSK promise of reliability. Each batch undergoes rigorous testing, from elongation to yield strength, ensuring every PSK TMT bar meets the highest standards of safety and durability. Every bar undergoes precise diameter testing, ensuring exact dimensions, consistent grip, and uncompromised structural reliability. Bars are subjected to bend and re-bend tests, proving their flexibility, resilience, and ability to withstand extreme stress without compromise. Unselected raw materials and the scrap are carefully removed and sent for external recycling, because at PSK, only premium inputs are chosen to forge uncompromised quality. Bars that fail testing are rejected without exception, because only flawless strength earns the PSK mark. Only thoroughly tested batches earn the PSK sticker, marked by our technicians as a seal of strength, safety, and assured quality before reaching you. Every tested batch is carefully loaded onto lorries, delivered with precision and care, ensuring the same PSK quality reaches your site. Every loaded lorry passes through the weigh bridge, ensuring the exact weight reaches your site, with no compromise on quantity or quality. At PSK, we care end to end. Only fully certified and meticulously preserved products leave our plant. Every step is managed responsibly with zero compromise on quality or environmental safety.